20 feet below a busy commercial center in Clayton County, Georgia, a 66-inch corrugated metal culvert was failing in complete silence. Soil was disappearing into a massive, unseen cavern, and above it, the asphalt had a small, unsuspecting pothole, with people still driving and walking over the top. This was the kind of subsurface failure that gives engineers nightmares. Excavation was not an option. The culvert ran under the corner of the building. To make the site safe, we hand-assembled 54-inch tunnel liner plates ring by ring inside a structure that was literally falling apart. A total of 146 rings were installed. At this point, the concrete contractor pumped cementitious grout into the enormous cavern. A void so large, it took 9 full cement trucks just to fill the sinkhole beneath the pavement. With the collapse zone stabilized, we installed a new structural concrete pipe using centrifugally cast concrete pipe technology, or CCCP. The process created a smooth, reinforced, watertight pipe bonded to the steel tunnel plates, essentially building a brand new culvert inside the wreckage of the old one. This project prevented a major surface failure and proved once again that utility asset management has the ability to handle difficult jobs. Utility asset management proudly serves municipalities and departments of transportation across the Southeast, helping communities protect critical infrastructure without costly disruption. Call today to start saving taxpayers millions now.